Hi guys, this is gonna be really quick, but do you ever make something and you just can't believe that you did it? That's how I feel about this painting. This is really how shiny this painting is. I just put it under a coat of resin. It's so shimmery. Look at all the colors come through, just pop from just a clear coat of resin. I didn't add anything to it. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks so much for watching Heather Mader Art. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And if you feel moved to do so, please contribute to my channel and support. There is a PayPal link in the description box. There's also a video to this one, so if you want to check it out, I'm going to link it right here and in the description box for you, so you can see how this beautiful stunner was created. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.